Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for bleeding your brakes master cylinder using a Mityvac 8500. We're doing this on my 1979 Ford Bronco, and I've included the links to all the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And I'm also posting weekly videos of my 79 Bronco and 2015 F-150, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow along. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I have changed out my brakes on my 79 Bronco, and I'm going to have to compress my caliper in order to get the brakes back on. With these older vehicles, it's gonna overflow the master cylinder just because the chamber isn't that large. So we're gonna need to drain it down so it doesn't just go squirting all over the vehicle and all over the place. You don't wanna empty out the master cylinder entirely. And because I'm not flushing the system, I'm not going to be draining this down at the banjo bolt on the caliper. Instead, I'm just going to simply remove the fluid from the reservoir. So the front brakes is the larger reservoir in the rear, and the rear brakes is the smaller reservoir in the front. Kind of counterintuitive, but that's how it's set up. I've got my Mityvac pump set up here, and you're going to want them on vacuum. I have the canister right here that's going to receive the fluid. On the bottom of it, you'll want to put this shorter line so that it just directs the fluid down so that it doesn't pick it up on the return and get fluid into your vacuum pump. You don't want to get any brake fluid in your vacuum pump. It's not good for it. So just simply insert it there, tighten this on, other end on here. We'll get this emptied out so get my caliper back on. Really made short work of that. Okay, so I got it topped off. I'm not bleeding any of my lines. I didn't open any of the brake lines or calipers, so I only opened up the top here when I compressed it. All right, so now that we have everything buttoned up, it's time to fire it up and check the brakes, pump it a few times to make sure that they're actually engaging. And then I would just slowly put it in gear and just kind of let it roll. Don't hit the gas too hard, trying to back out because, if your brakes don't work, if for some reason you kinked a line or something, you can actually stop. So that's a good thing too.
Thank you for watching this how-to video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.